morning, my name is Aaron Valencia, founder and CEO of Los Angeles Career Center. We're a 12-week vocational work program for 18 to 24-year-olds, and we use classic cars, custom cars, lowriders, and off-road trucks as a way to teach all these transferable skills to young people to get them jobs in tons of blue-collar industries, whether it's automotive, aerospace, construction, anything. So this is one of the vehicles we've been working on this year. It's a 1968 Camaro. It's been wide body. It's been all the fenders mostly carbon fiber. The front has been widened up almost 6 inches. The back's been widened almost 6 inches, about 5.5 inches front and rear. Full carbon fiber front, mostly carbon fiber rear. It's got a Detroit Speed front suspension, an LS3 blueprint engine, Magnuson supercharger, full custom suspension. You want to do a walk and talk? Come check it out. All the carbon fiber, we had about 90 molds in this one. A lot of it's done in our CNC tech lab. A lot of the front's been all made with 3D printed pieces that we then made molds and made them out of carbon fiber in our carbon fiber lab. The body's been cut and stretched. This has all been carbon, everything's carbon fiber painted over. The front, we've been working with a lot of amazing sponsors, NRG, Prisma, Racequip, Bear Brakes, Motegi, the list goes on and on. This was actually built as a drift car. It was going to start as just something fun, and it evolved really quick. The power plant, everything kept getting bigger and lighter, so I don't know, we're excited. We've only driven this from the trailer to here, so we're excited to get it back out to the track after SEMA. We partnered with Willow Springs. We're out in Lancaster, Palmdale, so we're right there by Willow Springs, so we already got a date set with Big Willow and Balcony. Go rip the track, have some fun in this one. So we got 19 by 12 in the rear. And the whole rear diffuser system was something that we were kind of coming up with. We worked with an amazing designer, this guy Andreas out of Norway, that we were just shooting ideas back and forth and kind of kept creating this concept and coming up with this rear diffuser setup to really just allow that airflow, keep everything down the ground. We designed a wing and it was last minute, just wasn't fitting, wasn't in the cards. So we ran it without the whole spoiler, and to be honest, I kind of like it without it. It's kind of one of those you could go either way. For this, I like it without it. So we'll get out to the track and see if we're going to add it back on or not. You can see the rear cantilever suspension setup was all designed by the young people in our tech lab. We have a CNC plasma 3D print tech lab. So they were coming up with different designs to see what we could make work. And again, working with QA1 and Detroit Speed, just tons of amazing sponsors, and kind of made this whole thing come to life in kind of overnight. If you really think about it, in 6 months, kind of overnight. It's not just me, it's the whole team, and it's all the students. We have about 150 young people come through the program a year, and all those kids from various stages working on the car, from doing the carbon, from helping with body work and paint. If you look at some of the crew right here, so we got Michael that was here working with us on last Saturday, 14-hour days, 15-hour days, non-stop. You know, we got Eulalie and Shai here that have been putting hours in on all the carbon fiber, working overtime. Don't be shy now. No, but this is one of those moments where hard work pays off. To be able to be here in Toyo Treadpass, it's a big deal.